differentiate the following functions with respect to x. We've got 3x to the fourth minus 2x squared minus 3 plus 2 over x minus 5 over x squared, and then we've got 3x squared minus 3 times x squared plus 2. Now what you need to do in both cases is prepare the expression or function before you actually differentiate it. Make sure you're using the correct notation. So we want d dx of ax to the n, this is just the general rule, is that you bring down the power, write down x, any constant you leave in there, and you reduce the power by 1. So you need to do that for each term. So in the first case, we've got d dx of 3x to the fourth minus 2x squared minus 3 plus 2 over x minus 5 over x squared. Now before we can differentiate this, we need to rewrite these using the rules of indices. So we've got 3x to the fourth minus 2x squared minus 3, that's straightforward. This becomes 2x to the minus 1 using the rules of indices, and this becomes 5x to the minus 2 using the rules of indices. Then differentiating term by term, we're going to get 12x cubed, so we're using this rule here, minus 4x. Now when you differentiate a number, so d dx of minus 3, it's like doing d dx of minus 3x to the 0. X to 0 is 1. So bring down the power, we get 0 times 3x and reduce the power by 1, but 0 times anything is 0. So when you differentiate a constant, you get nothing. And if you think about it, the line y is minus 3 is a horizontal line, and its gradient is actually 0. So we can miss that one out. This one will become, the sign will change and it'll become minus 2x to the minus 2. So when you are taking a number from minus 1, it becomes minus 2, and then similarly this sign will change here, will become plus 10x to the minus 3. So we've got 12x to the 3 minus 4x, and then we got, this will become 2 over x squared, so just rewriting it back, and this will become 10 over x cubed. Now in part B, we've got two brackets, so d dx, notice we haven't actually differentiated, we need to expand the bracket. So we keep the d dx in, and expand the bracket, so I do 3x cubed times x squared plus 2 minus 3 times x squared plus 2. So we get d dx of 3x to the 5 plus 6x cubed minus 3x squared. Now the sign will change here, so be careful, it will become minus 6. Now we can differentiate, so this will become 15x to the 4, 5 times 3x, reduce the power by 1, plus 18x squared minus 6x, and then if we differentiate 6 we get nothing. There's a common factor here of 3, so 3x, sorry, we'll take that out and we get 5x cubed, 18x minus 2 as the final answer. So this has been a video where you have to actually prepare the function first before you actually differentiate. Make sure that you use the correct notation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.